Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Blaze of Thunder. Hi there, so as you saw, Glenn and Kev basically constructed the model and has put it into this nice MD500 little bird, the Roban version, and now it's down to me to give it a test flight. And what we're going to do here is we're going to check that we've got a good balance, and we're going to look out for any vibrations now that it's in a fuselage. And because of its size, it's quite cavernous and it's quite prone to a lot of vibration, which is why you always test the mechanics first and eliminate as much vibration with the tracking and motor and so forth. So we're going to give it a test flight, and I'm going to power it up, give it its pre-flight checks, and we'll see how it goes. Right.
Motor idle. Motor on.
Whoop, I like the sound of that.
Motor off.
Didn't lose any tail control, it just suddenly lost power. Like a grip. Okay, so we've had a test flight, and as you saw, we had a bit of an issue at the end. I also noticed that it was a bit out of balance, so we've added some weight in the front, and when we test flight again we can check that out. But we've assessed the situation, and what we think happens, or what has happened, was the little grub screw has come out of the motor pinion, and therefore we lost all power. So luckily we was able to auto it in briefly and give it a safe landing, and we're going to take it back to the workshop and give it a once over and erect it, and then we'll do another test flight. So we'll see you back in the workshop.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.